Hello friends! In this video, I will guide you through how to download TikTok Live Studio for PC and laptop. Open your favorite browser and search for TikTok Live Studio on tiktok.com/studio/download. Click on the first search result and then click on Download for Windows. Save the file wherever you want and wait for the download process to finish. Click on the installer to run it and select Yes to proceed. Close the browser, and in the installer, click on Customize and change the directory if needed, or click on Install Now to install to the default directory. Wait for the installation process to finish, and then click on Open to launch the app. Log in with your TikTok account and click on Continue to open the TikTok Live Studio launcher. Close the browser, and it will open up your TikTok Live Studio. Click on Get Started to set up your studio and follow the simple prompts. You may need to meet creator requirements, such as having a minimum number of followers to access live streaming. Once set up, you can go live with TikTok Live Studio. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.